Want to play online with your friends but not sure how to set up the multiplayer files? Here's a quick guide. First, make sure your game is completely closed before making any changes. This helps avoid file conflicts and keeps the setup smooth. Next, locate your game folder and move the required multiplayer files into the main game directory. If Windows asks to replace files, create a quick backup first, then continue if needed. Now, open Steam and leave it running in the background. You don't need to launch the game from Steam, just keep Steam open while the game is running. After that, launch the game using the correct executable or launcher included with your multiplayer setup. If the game doesn't start correctly, double-check that all files were placed in the right folder and that nothing was skipped during the process. Once the game opens, you should be ready to join or host online sessions with your friends. And that's it. Quick, simple, and easy to set up. Follow for more gaming tips, tutorials, and quick fixes to get the most out of your games.